I definitely was looking for a school with science programs, and the 3+1 program kind of made Thomas more desirable, and smaller class sizes. I've had several projects here at Thomas, mostly in class. A lot of them with Tess Harden, our environmental science teacher. I've done some soil labs where we've tested the type of soil and what the contents are. I've also done tree ring analysis, so we've got to core trees here on campus and count the rings and learn a little bit about that. All of my professors have had a really big impact on me. They're all really willing to help and work around the issues I've had with scheduling classes, but also just any questions I've had in general about my science related. I've definitely become more confident in myself and also in the field I'm going to be entering into, environmental science. So I'm more confident in that and being able to get a job out after college.